Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcake toppings. First, gather your ingredients. Quality butter, powdered sugar, and flavorings are key to a great frosting. Next, ensure your butter is at room temperature for easy blending. This helps prevent lumps and creates a smooth, creamy texture. We will cover two popular types, classic buttercream and tangy cream cheese frosting, providing a full guide to elevate your baking. Let's start with a classic buttercream. Begin by creaming 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter in a large bowl until it's light and fluffy. Gradually add 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat the mixture on medium-high speed for 3 to 5 minutes until it's wonderfully light, airy, and ready for piping onto your cupcakes. For a delightful tangy option, try cream cheese frosting. First, beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter until the mixture is smooth and lump-free. Gradually add 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing on low speed until fully incorporated. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat on medium speed for another 2 minutes until the frosting is light, fluffy, and perfectly spreadable. Now for some decorating tips. For beautiful swirls, use a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Hold the bag vertically and apply even pressure as you pipe from the outside in. For a smooth finish, use an offset spatula. Once frosted, chill your cupcakes for 15 minutes to help the topping set perfectly. And speaking of making things easier, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.